for today's vlog, I have something for you guys. So yes, if you're new to my channel, my name is Ysay, and here in my channel, I upload travel vlogs every Tuesdays and makeup tutorials, makeup hauls, and anything about makeup here every Thursday. So yes, if you like my content, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell to keep you updated on my latest video. So guys, today for my vlog or for my video, I'm just gonna show you guys some eyeshadow hauls that I have purchased recently. And yes, I am an eyeshadow gal. I love eyeshadows, and more of my collections is more eyeshadows. And I'm just gonna show you guys what I have bought recently. And these are like affordable eyeshadow brands which are very high quality and good quality eyeshadows. But first, I just wanna more of these shadows that I have purchased is from the Cara Duo Beauty Cosmetics, because I first bought the two big palette from them, and I was amazed with the quality and the color story and the wide range color story that they have. And of course, the one thing that I love most was the long wear effect. It took me like 8 hours and hours before my eyeshadow just was gone. It stayed there for almost more than 8 to 10 hours without even an eye primer. So yes, I love it, and when I saw it on my winner store, I immediately grabbed some of their palettes and want to try them. So now I'm just gonna show you this palette. So first off, I've been using this on my fall makeup look. This is the Daydream Palette. This is the packaging, and this is the shade, the palette. This where's it? 8. This is an 8 palette. This is a green palette. I bought this because I don't have a green color on my collection. So yes, I love creating such green look on this. So they are very pigmented and very high quality, and I really love the color story because there are mattes and shimmers in this shade, and it comes with a mirror too as well. So this size is a great for travel size, and yeah, you can bring this anytime, anywhere when you go travel. So if you want to see more looks that I'm gonna create using this palette, please don't forget to click on comment in the comment box and let me know to create more looks for this. So, and I will probably make a review for this palette and a look and swatches for this. So watch out here on my channel. And the next step that I'm gonna show you, it's still in the Cara Duo. It is the Never Finding Paradise shadow from Cara Beauty. So this is the packaging, nice yellow packaging. And by the way, the first one that I bought, it's just $6. Yeah, from the winners that I bought. And this one, this is the packaging. This is for $9.99. This is the packaging. Nice color story. Nice color. Very nice. The yellow one and the pink and everything. And this one was embossed. And yeah, I like this. And this is the palette itself. Same with the cardboard, and I purchased this again as for $9.99, and the retail price is $16. So yeah, half the price. So it comes also with this plastic, which I'm gonna throw out, which I don't need. And we have this. It comes with a mirror, nice size mirror, and this is the color story. Look at this. I love this, and yeah, you can create neutral looks using this. And I love the yellow and the golds here. And they have it's an 18 shadow. 15 eyeshadow. And yes, I love the color story. It has 5 shimmers. 3 shimmers. And this one very glittery, pigmented glittery look. And I love it because you have this darker shade which you can create for your inner V, and yeah, create neutral looks using this one. So yes, keep watching on my channel, and I'm gonna do a review and swatch and looks for you guys in this palette. And the third that I'm gonna show you guys is still on Cara Duo. It's the Purple Haze palette, and it comes with this one. As you can see, it's purple, then probably all purple inside. So this is the cardboard packaging, cardboard insert, and this is the palette. And yeah, I love this. There it says a name of the shadows at the back, and it comes with a mirror, decent size mirror, and this is the shade. More of a pink and purple colors. I like the shades here. This is a very pigmented ones, shimmery shades, and there are mattes also, and it's so amazing when you can see a purple and pink palette, but it has a pop of yellow and an orange in it. But yeah, this is so good. I love this palette, so I'm gonna create looks for you guys using this palette, and yeah, we'll go deeper on the colors here and the pigmentation of this one. So I'm just gonna swatch this for you guys and see how pigmented it is. See this glitter? See the glitters? And do the matte one. Yeah, so very pigmented, and actually they are very blendable. And the next palette that I'm gonna show you, I was like curious about this product line because I heard lots of rave with this brand, the Profusion cosmetic brand. So when I saw this on my Winner store, I grabbed it immediately because I want to try this. But I grabbed the all mattes. It is a 24 eyeshadow palette, and it comes with a brush. So all of this shadow is a 24 shade, and it comes with this nice brush, fluffy brush for blending. And yeah, all of the colors they said is all matte except for this one. There's a shimmery one here. It's called VIP. Let me swatch. I think this is a black one. Let me swatch it for you guys. Yeah, it's a black shade, black glittery shade, and so funny. It says matte, but it has one glitter. But yeah, I want to try this one. You can create neutral looks and a little bit of pop of color using these ones. And yeah, you can create smoky look while using on this side of the palette here. And I like the pop of yellow here. And actually, there's a name. There's an eyeshadow name. They put the eyeshadow names all over here by the eyeshadow. And yeah, I am very definitely excited to play with this palette, because the Profusion cosmetic palette is a drugstore palette, drugstore brand that is very affordable. And yeah, I bought this also for $9.99. So most of the palettes that I bought for this haul is all $9.99. And look at that, like you got lots of products in just for affordable price. Yeah, so I really love this one. And the last one that I'm gonna show you guys is a palette from Lorac Pro Palette. I found this palette at my Winner store, and I really love the Lorac line. It's a high-end brand, and I really wanted to have a collection of this palette, this brand. So when I saw this one, I immediately grabbed it, and I'm just gonna show you. This is the packaging. I bought this. This is the Lorac Pro Palette. I bought this for $14.99, and the retail price is $30 in the store or Sephora. When you get this one, it's for $30, but I get this at Winners for $14.99. Yeah, it has a 16 eyeshadows, and for sure it has a very nice, I know this is a very pigmented and very nice shadow. And it also comes, I'm going to show you now the palette. So this is the palette, the Lorac Pro. Oh, I'm gonna open it. It comes with this plastic here. Oops. Oh, so this is a plastic with a name on it, and it comes with a decent price, mirror. And this is the eyeshadow. This is the color story. I really love the shades. They are neutral, so pop of this. And yeah, pink, and it has a name. This eyeshadow's names are all over here on the palette. It is very nice because you can see what you're using as you are creating a look. And yes, it looks so good. I'm gonna try one for you. I'm gonna swatch one for you. Whoa, it's so creamy and soft, guys. As usual, yeah, look at that. Look at how pigmented the shade is. That's begonia shade. I'm gonna do the silver mauve. Look at that. Yeah, so we will play with this palette for sure. Just watch on my YouTube channel here. I'm gonna create looks for you guys using this palette, and probably for sure this will be my go-to every day. So yes, and one more thing also, this palette that I have bought, it comes with the Lorac behind the scenes eyeshadow primer. So this is like, I think, a sample size. It is a 5.5 ml size, so it comes with the Lorac Pro with the packaging. So this is an eyeshadow primer, and for sure this has a very good rave in the internet and very good quality eyeshadow primer. So yes, definitely I am so eager to use this one, and I'm gonna show you guys how I create looks using this palette, like especially this one and the rest of my palettes that I have shown you. So yes, for this video, this is all, and I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Please don't forget to like this video before you leave and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again for another haul. Thank you guys, take care and be safe. Bye.